Welcome you to my 8th video on transformation of sentences, and we are solving the questions that came in the final examination conducted by Assam Higher Secondary Education Council. In the last video we solved the questions that came from 2004 to 2010, and in this video we will start with the questions that came in 2011, and we will continue up to those questions that came in 2020. So the question that came in 2011 also again came in 2014 and again in 2016. This small sentence, I know his name, has come 3 times already, and the instruction is to make it complex. I know his name. This is a simple sentence. There is only one verb, and that is finite. And to make it complex, you have to create another finite verb. You have to create another clause, subordinate clause. Out of this, his name. His name, this phrase should be changed into a clause, and when you change it into a clause, there should be a finite verb, and there should be something like that or a WH word. I know his name. The complex sentence will be I know what his name is. This is a finite verb. What his name is now changed into what his name is. I know his name, simple. I know what his name is, complex. I know him, simple. I know who he is. I know who he is, complex. So that was very short sentence, and it has come 3 times, and you have to pay attention to it very much. The next question will be the one that came in 12. Again, a very short sentence came in 2012. That is, I am sure of passing. I am sure of passing. This I am is the subordinate, is the finite verb, but this passing, it is not a finite verb. It is verb ing without verb before it. It is not finite verb. Only one finite verb is there. It is a simple sentence, and your job is to make it complex. This means that of passing. This of passing should be changed. This phrase should be changed into a clause. It means there should be a finite verb. There should be a subject, and then the sentence will have 2 finite verbs, 2 subjects, 2 clauses, one main clause, one subordinate clause. Then it will become a complex sentence. I am sure of passing. I am sure that. This that is common in complex sentences. I am sure that I will pass. This, when you say I will pass, it is a finite verb. But passing is an unfinite verb. I am sure that I will pass. This is a complex sentence. This should be the answer. If you want to know how the sentence will be, if you change it into a compound sentence, then this is the answer. I will pass, and I am sure about it. That will be the compound sentence. So that was the question that came in 2012. Let us see what came next year. 2 questions came in 2013. The first one is he came in the evening. A very short sentence. He came in the evening. And the instruction is to make it complex. He came in the evening. It is very visibly, it is simple. Only one finite verb, only one verb, and that is finite. He came. If you make it complex, then out of this phrase in the evening, this phrase should be changed into a clause where there will be a finite verb, there will be a subject. So the answer is he came when it was evening. When you say when it was evening, there is this is a subordinate clause. It is also called WH clause, and there is a finite verb was, there is a subject it. So he came when it was evening. That is the answer. That is the complex sentence. If you have a desire to know what will be the answer if you are asked to make it compound, then this is the answer. If you want to make it compound, he came and it was evening then. He came and it was evening then. But so far as the answer of this sentence is concerned, as instructed in the question paper, the complex sentence is he came when it was evening. Another question came in the same year 2013, that is, you must work hard to succeed. You must work hard to succeed. That is a simple sentence. The instruction is to make it compound, and the answer is work hard and you will succeed. Work hard is one sentence, you will succeed is another independent sentence, and both of them are joined with the help of the conjunction and. That is the answer. Work hard and you will succeed. And if you want to know what will be the complex sentence of this, complex form of this sentence, then for your knowledge you can note it down. If you work hard, you will succeed. Here there are 2 clauses. You will succeed is the main clause. If you work hard is the subordinate clause, and that makes it a complex sentence. So he came in the evening. This is a simple sentence. He came when it was evening, complex. He came and it was evening, then compound. You must work hard to succeed. Simple sentence. Work hard and you will succeed, compound. If you work hard, you will succeed, complex. These questions came in 2013, and the questions that came in 2014 are already done with other questions that came in earlier years. And the next question is the one that came in 2015. I know where he was born. This was the question that came in 2015. I know where he was born. You see, I know, this is the main clause. Where he was born is a subordinate clause. And the instruction is to make it simple. This means this subordinate clause should be changed into a phrase. This means this where will be removed, he will be removed, was will be removed, maybe born will be changed into a different form. So I know where he was born. If you make it simple, it will be I know his birthplace. Where he was born, it means the place of his birth. I know his birthplace, or I know his native place. That will be the simple sentence. The next one came in 2016. Our serial is 18 and it came in 2016. He hoped that he would win the prize. This is not that difficult. This is a complex sentence and the instruction is to make it simple. He hoped that he would win. That he would win. These words make it complex actually. So when you make it simple, you will remove this that, you will remove this he, you will remove this would also. You will make this would win, you will change it into to win. That will be removed, he will be removed, would win will be changed into to win. It will be changed into to infinitive. It will be changed into a non-finite form. So, he hoped that he would win the prize. He hoped to win the prize. He hoped to win the prize. That is the simple sentence, and this sentence was the answer to the question that came in 2016. And the next question will be the one that came in 2017. In 2017, 3 questions came. The first one is, he desired that I should go there. He desired that I should go there. This sentence is visibly, very obviously, it is complex. He desired one finite verb, that I should go. This makes it complex. And the instruction is to make it simple, and then when you make it simple, we will remove this that, we will remove I, and should go should also be changed into, should go is a finite verb, should go be changed into a non-finite form, we should change it into to go. And when you make it to go, I should be removed, maybe I will be changed into me, and that should be totally removed. So he desired that I should go there, complex sentence, and the simple sentence is, he desired me, I is changed into me, he desired me to go there. Earlier we found such a sentence that he wanted me to go there. He desired me to go there. He desired that I should go there. Next one is, he is so lazy that he cannot shine in life. This sentence again is complex. 2 finite verbs are there. Is, again, cannot shine. And interestingly, there is a correlative also used. So that, this so and that, these 2 words are linked. So that, not only but also, as soon as, either or, neither nor, these words, one has a link with the other. If not only is used, after a while you will find but also. If neither is used, after a while you will find the word nor. These pair of words are called correlatives. And in this sentence there is a correlative that is used, so that. So is used, and then an adjective comes, and then that is there. And then another clause is there. This sentence is very interesting. I told you in the earlier video that if such a sentence is given where so that is used, he is so lazy that he cannot shine in life, the instruction is to make it simple. And if the instruction is to make it simple, then this is the answer. Instruction may be different. 2 other instructions may be there. One is change it into affirmative. Another instruction is rewrite the sentence using to. Here so that is the correlative, and in this answer there is again another correlative, TWO2 and then TO2. 2 that is the correlative. Any of the three instructions may be given in the examination if such a sentence is given, and in all the three cases, the answer is the same. He is so lazy that he cannot shine in life. Change it into a simple sentence, or change it into affirmative, or rewrite the sentence using to. Then this is the answer. He is too lazy to shine in life. Rewards, in the rewards view, if we talk, then if this sentence is given, he is too lazy to shine in life, then there will be three instructions. One of the three instructions will be there. The sentence is, he is too lazy to shine in life. One instruction is change it into negative, or make it complex, or rewrite the sentence using so that. In all the three cases, the answer will be, he is so lazy that he cannot shine in life. Coming to the last question that came in 2017, let us see. Having done his work, he left the place. That is a simple sentence. And the instruction is to make it compound. The answer is, he had done his work and left the place. And if you want to know what will be the complex sentence, it will be, when he had done his work, he left the place. So these are the three sentences that came in 2017. Let us see what came in 2018. We have got three sentences that came in 2018. The first one is, he admitted that he had done wrong. He admitted that he had done wrong. That is basically a complex sentence. That he had done wrong. That is the subordinate clause. We have to make it simple. So he admitted that he had done wrong. This part is a subordinate clause. That will be removed. He will be removed. Had done is the finite verb. It will be changed into non-finite verb. So he admitted having done wrong. He admitted having done wrong. That is the simple sentence. And if you want to make it compound, it will be, he had done wrong and admitted it. He had done wrong and admitted it. That is the compound sentence. Coming to the next number, number 23. We heard of her failure. Make it complex. We heard of her failure. That is a simple sentence. Here, only one finite verb is there. We have to make another finite verb out of this her failure. Her failure is a phrase, and we have to make it into a clause. So that there should be two clauses, so that it becomes complex. We heard of her failure. We heard that failure should be changed into the form of a verb. Fail is the verb. We heard that she had failed. That is the complex sentence. If you want to make it compound, it will be, she had failed and we heard it. We heard of her failure, simple, and we heard that she had failed is complex. She had failed and we heard it, that is compound. Coming to the last question that came in 2018, the sentence is, unless you work hard, you will fail. Unless you work hard, you will fail. That is a complex sentence. The instruction is to make it compound. Work hard or you will fail. Work hard or you will fail. That is compound. If you want to know what will be the simple form of this sentence, it will be, unless you work hard, you will fail. That is the complex sentence. So, work hard to avoid failure, or work hard not to fail. That will be the simple sentence. Let us see all the three sentences again. He admitted that he had done wrong. That is the complex sentence. Its simple form is, he admitted having done wrong. And the compound sentence will be, he had done wrong and admitted it. Next one is, we heard of her failure. That is a simple sentence. The complex sentence is, we heard that she had failed. And the compound sentence will be, she had failed and we heard it. And the last one is, unless you work hard, you will fail. That is a complex sentence. The compound sentence is, work hard or you will fail. And the simple sentence is, work hard not to fail, or work hard to avoid failure. All these three questions came in 2018. The next one are those that came in 2019. We now have these two questions that came in 2019. The first one is, he wants me to help him. And this sentence is quite obviously simple, because wants is the finite verb and to help is non-finite. And the instruction is to make it complex. This means out of this to infinitive, to help, you have to change it into a finite form. And then there should be another clause, a subordinate clause. There should be that also. He wants me to help him. He wants that me should be changed into I. He wants that I should help him. That is added me is changed into I, to help is changed into should help. So he wants me to help him, simple sentence. The complex sentence is he wants that I should help him. Coming to the next sentence, next question that came in the same year, a stone that is rolling or a stone that rolls gathers no moss. That is a complex sentence, and the instruction is to make it simple. A stone that is rolling, a stone that is rolling, out of this we will change it into a rolling stone. A story which is unbelievable, an unbelievable story. A stone that is rolling, a rolling stone gathers no moss. That is simple. So these questions were the ones that came in 2019. Let us see the questions that came in this very year, 2020. These are the last three sentences we are going to do in this video, and these sentences came in 2020. Number 27. Being ill, he could not attend school. That is a simple sentence because this being is a non-finite verb and could not attend is the only finite verb. And a similar sentence we did in the earlier video perhaps. Only the word was college instead of school at that time. The other things are the same. Being ill, he could not attend school. That is a simple sentence, and the compound sentence will be he was ill, so he could not attend school. Or you can say he could not attend school because he was ill. Both are compound. If you want to know what will be the complex sentence, then the answer will be as he was ill, he could not attend school. Coming to the next one, number 28. On seeing the lion, he ran away. On seeing the lion, he ran away. The seeing is non-finite. On seeing the lion, he ran away. That is a simple sentence. The instruction is to make it complex. When he saw the lion, he ran away. That is the complex sentence. And the compound sentence will be he saw the lion and ran away. Coming to the last one, the students who are good do their homework regularly. This sentence is complex. The instruction is to make it simple. The students who are good. The students who are good. Instead of this, the students who are good, when you make it simple, you will write the good students. Like a story which is unbelievable, an unbelievable story. The students who are good, the good students. Do their homework regularly. So that is the simple sentence. So these three sentences came in 2020, and with this we come to the end of the solution of the questions that came in the final examination from 2004 to 2020. And in the two videos, this video 8 and the earlier one, video number 7, we have solved these questions. And those who have missed the earlier video can watch that one also, and then you can watch this one. So with this we have come to the end of our discussion and practice of simple, complex and compound sentences. But this transformation of sentences will continue. In the next videos we will make interchange between assertive, imperative and interrogative sentences, and from affirmative to negative and vice versa. So waiting to meet you in the next video, where we will discuss how to change from assertive to interrogative, interchange between assertive, interrogative, optative, exclamatory, interchange between affirmative and negative, etc. So wishing to meet you soon in that video. Thank you very much.